I wonder why we should have a rich man like Bartholomew in this community. And yet, there is no light anywhere. The only thing he knows is to put on his big generator, only to light up his compound. Well, it is only God who knows the best.
You're dead. Hayes! Salute to a fallen hero. Salute. Yum. Prison. Badakataka. 21 gun salute to a fallen hero. Fire! Bazakata! Heat! By the left! Slow match! Salute! Slow match! By the left! Mark! Time! About time! You are gone. I have seen it. I feel your death. Oh, my brother. I shall do as you have commanded. Your commands will be executed. The military commands will be done. Red paper retreat. Hey! Paper retreat. By the left. Quick march.
Oh, soldier, show yourself. Show yourself. Oh, soldier, no they die.
Chicken home. What's doing my chicken? There were 3 chickens here. And who did this to me? Who did this to me? Whoever has sworn that I, Dikeh, will not have sleep, he or she will never see sleep. May thunder strike your anus. Hey! Whoever has stolen this chicken, may it not be well with you. May it not be well with you. Hey!
Who are you running abuses on this early morning? Okay.
How many chickens were here when we went to bed?
3.
3 chickens. No, 1 is no more. 1 is no more. They have come to steal my chicken. Hey!
Could have done that.
Nayambie! Hey! Ne! The worst has happened. Hey!
What happened?
Na Ezekiel, I greet you. Nem, Bato is dead. Hey! How many Bato do we have in this village? Bato, the richest man in our town, no. Brother to Sylvester is dead, oh.
Hey!
Hey! Hey! I don't know. Hey! Oh, am I here? Oh, my sister. Ah, what kind of life is this? Oh.
So the rich can also die like that. Yeah, it surprises me.
Come to think of it. You think death has respect for what? Huh?
Bato. Bartholomew Anna.
Sylvester, what plans do you have for the festival? Because I know it is going to be grand one. Dikeh festival. Yes.
Usai! You people know how unpredictable Bato was. Listen, Bato said he does not want anybody spending any money on his burial and for his burial, except money for casket and ambulance. Finish.
Hey. That is a joke.
Yes. It's not a joke. Oh. No posters, no wake keep, no gunshots, no t-shirt.
But at least there is going to be some eating and drinking.
Onyosa, that's where I was going. Bato does not want any fanfare at all. So, no eating, no drinking.
Mbano.
Hey, Chineke.
I hope the brother has not gone into the village. Because I know that
Ezekiel,
going to be a
that is not the case. Hey! Biaseve, how do we bury Bato?
That's the way he instructed. But first of all, I'll have to find a way of getting all his children. Bato demanded that all his children be present at his burial. And after he is buried, his will is going to be read.
Hey, Bato was married to 4 different women who each had a child for him at different times. And all of them left him with their children because they found it hard to cope with Bato.
Hey. Yes. Yes.
The question is, will all the children come? Will they come?
Who will hear that he's going to be a beneficiary of 2 billion naira and not run coming?
2 billion naira. Billion naira.
Yes.
Was that actually how rich Bartholomew was?
Bato, my own brother. Bato had money. Bato was wealthy. Gente. Ego Bato nwelu na su poto ni mite. Hey! Bato had his money placed on nearly everything. And I'm sure he forgot some of them.
Yet he allowed you to live in this old dirty house. Allowed you to live in poverty. He refused to help anybody in our society. Now even in death, he has denied us food and drink. Onwe chezo no nyo sadi enwe ulcer.
Oh, yeah. Never near.
Angelique, how are you? No one has really heard from you since you left with your daughter. How is she now? I know she's grown into a real woman now. Well, no one can blame you for leaving Batho, my brother. He was a very difficult person to live with. His stinginess was too aromatic, and at some point I began wondering what the initial attraction you had to him was. Do you know that up till now, I still live in the old house built by our father? Batho refused to renovate it and wouldn't let me into his own mansion where he lived alone. Truly, Angelique, it's just out of fear of God that I am doing what I am doing now. Well, what more can I say? It is time for your daughter to return to her roots. If not for anything, at least at a time like this, when the sun has set on the tree from which she sprouted. Yes, exactly what you think, my dear Angelique. Batho, the father of your daughter, is dead, and he has requested that she be present at the funeral. It was his dying wish that his children, all of them, come around for his funeral and the reading of his will. Thanks, as I look forward to seeing her soon. Sylvester. My brother Batho said you returned to Brazzaville with her. So how are you people? I hear your people drink a lot of beer. Yes. And you also have a lot of women who are willing to take off their dress at will. And also dance like possessed people. Yes. I'm not saying it's not good, but that's what we hear. Okay.
There's a natural mystic flowing through the air. If you listen carefully now, you will hear. This could be the first trumpet. Might as well be the last. Many more will have to suffer. Many more will have to die. Don't ask me why.
Rastafari, me papa gone. For I man ya fi see san ye water and I me ye ball sin. It's a pity. I no see, but me know you cool, man. Papa, me I promise, fi plan ganja in around your final place for rest. She have to get high and speak directly with the most high sin. I don't go to Jamaica where me I come from. Me here, ganja, official help, and I have. Before the end, brethren, permit me to play some special tune for my fallen hero.
Then fuck all that shit. Pop doesn't do ganja, man, so fuck all that shit. Dang. Oh, you're Pop. I'm so sorry I rolled down late. Thanks for what you left behind, man. Appreciate it. I have one thing to tell you, Pop. Chill in peace, Pop. Chill in peace, Pop. Chill in peace, Pop. That's what's up, man.
Mommy? 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 Rest in peace, mommy. Rest in peace. All these soya men here, we are here to respect you, mommy. Thank you for all the property. Rest in peace. Rest in peace, mommy.
Why you dropping flour on the papa? Why? Who would come and sweep this place when we are not here? Take the flour away, Papa. Papa, me, your daughter Christella. I never saw you, but I know you are a good man. Thank you for all the property you left for me, your daughter Christella. If I see you in heaven, I will dance Makwasa, Awelo Lukomba for you alone. Let me show you.
Nigga, fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit.
Don't tell me fuck the shit. What shit are you shitting on the grave?
Dang. Traffic in the air.
There might be traffic in the air where you are coming from, but there is movement in the grave. There is movement in the grave. Papa, I miss you. Oh, Papa.
Bombo cloud Congolese. Ya drink and laugh liquor. Need the road.
Papa, I say bye-bye for now.
Bombo cloud Congolese.
Papa.
Ya drink
Papa. Thank you for the will.
Traffic in the air.
Stop saying that. I don't like it. You be shouting. Shit, shit. If you want to shit, you shit by yourself. You pack it by yourself. And you the traffic in the head.
Listen.
Where would there be movement in the head?
Listen, Frenchy Makosa. Fuck them Makosa shit, okay? In Texas, I rock with Jay-Z. I rock with Lil Wayne. DJ Khaled rolls with me. That's some Congo shit.
You be calling people don't ever know at all. You don't know people. Look, let me tell you. Your people don't know Papa Wemba. You don't even know Awilo Lokomba.
Nigga, fuck that Awilo shit. Damn. Listen, fuck that Makosa shit. Fuck that Awilo shit. I rock with Beyonce.
Hey, quiet, all of you. I say, quiet, quiet. Test out you. That's good. Better. Now listen, all of you. Listen. You have to be very careful. Do I make myself clear? Very, very careful. Here is village. Here is your hometown. And here is not any of those places you returned from. Father.
Remember.
That's good. You weep. You remain decent. Careful. That's what I want.
Bomani, that should be for those who have done something stupid. Have
Let me tell you, the Holy Book says, blessed are thou when thou suffer persecution from me. For your reward, Apete ganja. Can we say, Zion, a holy place. No sin can enter there. Sin.
Listen, Jamaica, chill.
Right,
That's not bob your head. Chill. That's not bob your head.
That's not in the Bible.
Let's leave whatever the Bible say. We don't want not here for the Bible. What Bible? Me come here for two reasons. Number one, Papa dead. We bury Papa. Number two, I come here for the money. Everything is money. Give me the money, Papa. Leave me.
Which money?
Come on, old soldier. Listen, my mama told me that was a fucking deal. So we roll down here for the money. Where is the money, old soldier? This is traffic in the air.
I see. Now listen, all of you. Stand still, all of you. Eyes, all of you. Pray, all of you. Listen very well. There's a will. You all know it. That will has to be read. It needs to be read by the barrister when he comes.
So where's the fucking barrister?
Before then, you remain quiet.
I see now that there is traffic on the road for the barrister.
Before the barrister comes, remain patient. And act decently. That's it. Come on. Hey. Why are you pacing up and down?
Well, you're old soldier. Where is the fucking barrister? Don't tell me, where is the barrister?
I don't know.
This is traffic in the air. What do you mean by you don't know? Listen, old soldier, I need to roll back to Texas, man. Niggas are waiting for me. Jay-Z is waiting for me. Lil Wayne is waiting for me. Rihanna just called my phone. Nicki Minaj is on my neck. DJ Khaled is owing me. And he called and I should come pick my car. What the fuck is going down, man? I need to roll back.
You need to roll. In the army, when you roll on the ground. So you want to roll?
Old soldier. Nigga, fuck that army shit. When I say I want to roll back, I want to roll back to States. That's what's up. Traffic in the air.
We need to wait for the barrister. I'm waiting for the barrister. You wait for the barrister. All of us must wait for the barrister. And in the meantime, you get in there and get me a cup of water. Now.
Traffic in the air. Traffic in the air. proudly in the...
Odomisai Jankara Angelati Yoli Umomila Jankara Angelati Yoli Ide Anulu you brother Isigi Gepempe Odomisai Isigi Gepe Jankara Angelati Janati Isiapong Isiapong Jankara Janati Janati Yoli Ibe Anulu you brother Isigi Gepempe
Anoma Adobe.
See them Not them Family Alibago JJ with you Jankara Jankara oh Abaga Jaka oh Jankara and Janet.
So today is actually Battle's burial, and everywhere is as calm as ever. So Sylvester actually meant to honor what his brother asked for. Chai! But this is the height of stinginess. How I wish there is an avenue for me to get hold of Bartholomew's money, no matter how small. It is well.
Jankara Jankara oh Abaga Jaka oh Jankara and Janet.
Igbo shall be on.
Jankara which one be on.
There's no meat in this soup, eh?
If there was any meat in the house, or you had given me money to buy any, do you think I would have cooked this soup without meat? See, no meat in the soup.
Poverty is not a good thing at all.
Yeah, Jankara, where are you going? Mama, relax, it's coming. Shut up, it's your danger. I didn't ask whether he's coming or not. I asked, where is he going? Mama, he's coming now, calm down.
Agonwa. Odogu. Good meat.
Look at the way you grabbed the meat that started eating it. You didn't even ask where the meat came from.
What matters is not where it came from, but where it is going.
No. What you are doing to these children, I don't like it. You are spoiling them. You are encouraging them to do bad things. Look at this boy. Since he came out from the city, he has been stealing from people. And you know, the only thing he came back from the city with is this drawing of his body. I don't even know if it's this drawing that is pushing him into doing bad things.
You don't know. It is fashion in the city. That drawing, they call it
tattoo. Is it
vogue.
See, what you are doing to these children is like. Pulling a kuli sumaka I like Romia. The same you are sewing on them, you are going to repeat. Oh, you are going to repeat.
Chica,
get up from my side.
Chica, I'm not going to Inaba.
Leave Mama, let her go. So the food will be enough for us.
When I say me, multiple.
It is because of the bushmeat you have come. You better go back inside, meet Jankara, get the rest from him, garnish it with pepper and bring it back to me.
You just listen to yourself.
I heard everything I said.
Why do you encourage those children to do silly things?
Since when did sourcing for what to eat become a silly thing?
Those twins are stealing. Are you not concerned that your children are gradually becoming professional thieves?
I am a poor man. And since I cannot provide everything my family, what is wrong with my children trying to help?
Not by stealing.
You don't?
Hey! Do you have conscience at all?
Mommy?
What? Listen, Frenchy Congo, I'ma whoop your greasy ass, okay?
Talk
Don't
to the
fuck with
microphone.
me.
Use my leg as the microphone. What's your problem? What's your problem? Did you bring chair from Texas or whatever you come from? Ha! You be talking weapon had the haze.
Listen, I don't want to go gangster with you. Traffic in the air.
I tell you, leave me alone. Stop telling me traffic at the hay. Let there be movement here at the hay. Are you God? No sense.
Hey, Mommy.
Listen.
Mommy, it's almost getting dark. When is the barrister ever coming?
Yeah, man. I'm about to say some shit, man. I'm fucking tired of waiting for this fucking barrister.
Well, Opili,
The barrister is not coming after all today.
Traffic in the air.
Also, what you say? What you talk about, man?
No, I am tired. Oh, I'm tired of staying here. I've stayed here 2 days. I don't want to stay here again. I want to go tomorrow. I go tomorrow.
Hey. Kamayala. Yes, when you do your hair like this, that's a Kamayala here. Listen, the same way you people want to live here is the same way I want to get done with this whole process. Your father did not, he was so stingy that he could not even leave anything for me to feed you with. And the more you people stay here, the more haggard my haggard pocket becomes.
Your pocket is not haggard. It's your house that is haggard. Do your house. Hey, I better get a good place to sleep today. Because something choked me in your house. I don't like it. I don't want.
Traffic in the air.
You stop saying traffic in the hay. What traffic in the hay? Let there be movement in the hay.
I'ma whoop your greasy ass.
Who you talking to?
I'ma whoop your greasy ass.
I dance you.
Eyes! What's wrong with all of you? Let me say, me come here to drink milk. Me no come here to canker. Me no come here to spend eternity. Also, Rastamami, I get business I run a dango Jamaican. See? Rastafari.
Hey, you. Hey! You come here,
Speak the language, me fear. Speak the language for me people.
Oh, soldier, show yourself. Show yourself. Oh, soldier, no they die you. Oh, soldier, no they die. No they die. I got the idea, kanka. No woman.
Are you sure this is the best place? No, only I want you. What do you mean? What do I mean by it? Okay, you want to take me to your house? No. Do you want to take me to your house? No, to Fiapa. No, why would I do that? Do you want my wife to cut off my manhood? And I also do not want your wife to cut off my ife and keep on the floor. So let's just... I will have a sharp. Okay, man. So what are we doing? We'll take a little first. Money. Yeah, I'm banned. And I remember you forgetting. Will you marry me to what?
No, I'm married already. So it is you who has been defiling my sister and some other young girls in this village. Ogoo?
No.
Ogoo?
No, I haven't done anything. See my hand.
You are gone. See, in fact, I want you to choose where I will bury you. Is it Opanam or Ela? Because I will make sure I butcher you. I will make sure I butcher you and report to the village with your corpse.
I haven't done anything yet now. Ask her. Okay, do you know what? Let me take it back inside, please. Don't kill me. Let me put it back inside, please.
Please, I beg you now, in the name of God.
Yes.
Please, have mercy on him.
When you people were coming here to quack, did you come in the name of God, Janet? Did you come? In the bush of all places, you disgust me.
Yeah, you're right. I want to against this bush.
Shut up!
Please. Okay. Whatever, please. I'm sorry. Please. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Come on. Show me. Teacher, guys, before well gone. Apwala. 100 naira nke ị na-etinye ebe ahụ ọ ebe ahụ ka ọ ga-adị. Come on, Miss Oyo ọfụma. It's yours. I slap you.
Yes, sir.
It's yours.
Ogoo?
Yes, now. You saw me now. That's.
Say the truth now.
This is all I have.
This is all you have. This is all you have.
Yeah. Boom.
Okay, so you are joking.
No, I'm not.
You are joking with me.
Hey,
Janet, say one mad.
Please.
Kamalo de bela ya melia. Nna. Nna jare mwa ni aji. Okay. My left hand. I go second.
Also, Jana, waiting be this you. You be guy man. Also, Jana, waiting be this you. You be guy man. If you move, he go move you. Also, just make you stand at easy.
Uncle, hey! What are you doing? I'm hungry, making me uncomfortable.
Congratulations.
No, I'm not saying I'm jubilation. I say I'm hungry. Give me money. You give me money, I'll be happy. Give me money.
And I said congratulations. Listen, if you're hungry, then go look for something to eat.
I want to eat, but no money. Give me money.
Look, back there in Congo. Don't you cook? Or are you not even the one that's supposed to be cooking and giving us here to eat?
Cooking is no problem for me at all. But I don't have money. The problem is money. Uncle, you give me money. I go out there, buy plenty things. Cook, everybody hates it. Happy jubilation, that's my cosa. That is it. But you don't give me money. I need money.
So once you eat, you dance makosa.
Woohoo!
That's all.
That is it.
I see. Am I your late father? Did your late father give me any money to give you for eating?
You did not ask him before he died. You should have asked him money for your children. You didn't ask, so you carry responsibility. Give me money, I'm hungry.
Makusa, better go and hustle. Go and hustle before hunger kills you. Eh? You still want to be dancing your Makusa? Better go and hustle before hunger comes. Because if hunger comes, I'll pity you.
Uncle, I need money. Be good to me. You too stingy. You too hard. What is it?
She say her name not Christara. She say her name not Christara. She too like the Makosa.
Bombo clad, blood clad. Let me tell you. Also, me no deserve no disrespect from you. And me, Kingsley, original Don. I don't go to Jamaica. Why you tell me I go fetch water for the street? Why you tell me I go fetch water for the street?
Hey! What's wrong with you? You come out, Yala.
Speak the language Rastaman fi here.
Whether you come from Jamaica or from wherever. Listen, there's no water here. I'm saying that every one of you must go to the stream now and fetch water.
Old Sarge, there is traffic in the air.
Yeah, man.
I can go to the stream to fetch water, man. What will Jay-Z say when he hears I fetch water in Africa?
Yeah, man.
Nigga, I'm not fetching water, man. Shit. Can't try that shit.
Uncle. Me, Christella, you tell me to fetch water. Nah, not good for me. I'm a baby. I'm the girl. Let all this maid go fetch water for me. I'll use it as the baby. Okay.
Baby? Come on, suck.
Not this type. I take bigger one.
Well, I'm in charge, okay? So everybody must go to the stream now.
But, my man, is there no small boy we can call and give money to go and fetch water for us?
Yeah, man.
Yes, there is.
Small boy?
There is, in fact, 2.
Then call them.
Oh, yes. In fact, there are more than 1. You want to?
Then let's call the person.
Bring the money, quick. Bring the money first.
My man, you know, I got no money with me. I finished all my money. I'm surviving by the grace of Almighty God. You know?
Keep quiet by the grace of God.
Listen, old Sarge. At this point, I'm fucking tired, man. I need to go back to Texas. Real niggas don't fetch water, man. Shit.
Hey. Nobody talks about going back. And that goes for all of you. Nobody should talk about going anywhere. Do I make myself clear? Eh? How is everybody? Nobody's leaving.
I cannot carry one motor with my hair.
Now, listen. Every one of you, move in there. Pick up the sweet container that is good for you. Then we move. Handle move. Handle, move. Handle.
Now there is traffic.
Handle. Hey, handle. Left. Move it. Left. Move it. Left. Go one ule wo nenjelo. Move it. Left. Left. Oh, mona nenjelo go. Nyagaro. Nyagaro. Wo. Muna wane njelogo, wane mapuda uzole wane. Left. Handle. Mark time. There.
This is House of Bartholomew. House of Bartholomew. Retreating from the house. Going for attack. Attack on the stream. Attack. Attack. Come on. Now listen. We are going on an attack. Attack. This is the House of Bartholomew. Retreating from the house. Going on an attack. Attack on the stream. Now, anybody that moves, I move you. Stand still, everybody. Don't move. If you move, you become a monkey. And the monkey, I will scatter you. Now, pressure. Come on. Left. Now move. Move. Big man. Left. Left. Come on.
Odomisai Jankara Angeleti Yoli Umonila.
Get out the border.
Odomisai was also. Confirm.
Udo.
See, all you have to do now, just get ready, make you waka pass. Shake you up. You know, I say, you went up your FIFA and a buggy. Who say, Emmanuel Uwakwe Egbo. See, just go there when you just try confuse them with this your waist. If you confuse them, Jankara will enter. They can wash a sebeni in a kayaboko. And I'm told you.
Make you polo. You know, look at a walk on it. You go walk with a malifene.
What is it? Make a bus when you and a supper pants.
Make you polo again. Oh, you can walk.
Honest easy now. Find this easy.
Panting game is easy. No, I'm gonna go.
Honest easy.
Let's go, guys. I want to phone a case where I'm gonna go. You go to Monte. You need the panty phone and shake it. What if I can shake? So I need to remove the pants so that my buttocks will be able to shake well. When I whine it, then it will shake. But if I'm wearing this pants, I'll just everything. Why is it I can phone? You shake it, go. What if I can shake? Not for you. What is it now? Wow. What are you giving them?
You're there.
So you depend on you depend on I don't mind.
I'm more like we are going to body order.
But you have a body order. Nanga don't go. I go. Don't know. You must walk off like I swept.
I want to this thing. So you can now just buy it. What I do? Make people see me now. I'm about with my pipe. Plug with this thing, pipe. Hi. Conjunction. You open it, blow one. Open it, blow one. You think you make it back? Nah, you get the original shape.
It's 50 naira.
That looks good afternoon.
Ah, Janet.
Yeah?
How you doing now?
I'm fine. Who is here?
Yes, what do you want?
I want battery.
Tiger battery or flashlight?
No, I want phone battery.
Have you come to this store to buy phone battery or phone accessories before? What is wrong with you? Please, will you live here?
Oh, sorry.
Janet.
How are we going?
I see you. Thank you. Hey, Janet.
What? What's wrong with you? Why will you be bumping into somebody else? Please get out! She has got away. Get out! She's there. Go!
What if they want all these boys? They'll be running about this. Nah, yeah, I beg,
Please take your...
Nah, all these boys.
Where's the money?
I'll get to you.
What did you see? What did this boy know? Hey, what's going to make your pants? What do you think funny thing? Now what for you? No, don't. I'm not gonna after something. Go. Come on. There's something bigger. What is this? Okay, the money. Yeah. Don't go. No. What are you?
Na talk come the madu no no about before. Na go to save this na go di. Gim can get deeper me.
Jankara make it away. You know, see now where's this money now? What do you mean? Why can't you pants? Jankara, you made me remove my pants and shake my ass without bringing anything now for go. Ta! Jankara.
Ne mala mo amali ngo di self. Ya bo lo mo na gije yie. Ke na weta kwa no nka.
Nyam pants. Give me my pants. Let me warn you for the last time. Next time you do not check something before calling me to remove my pants. Take the risk of removing my pants. And at the end of the day, what time I open now I'm gonna go. Now. Nobody is Orega, eh?
What's happening? Please give me my money.
But I had my wallet a while ago now. Okay, relax.
What kind of rotten story are you telling me now? Please give me my money.
Nah, man, where is my wallet? Hey. Chineke.
Give me mine.
Okay, who first?
Give me mine.
Hey.
That's not nice.
Oh my God.
Look, what is the matter? Why are you screaming like an irritated old woman?
Me? Scream like an irritated... See, if you don't produce my wallet this minute, I will start screaming like an irritated old dog.
That is not anything new. I have always known you to have animalistic tendencies.
Chineke, is it not my money that your children stole that made this your tummy to be so fat? And yet you're still poor. I'm still better off than you. See, woman, talk to your husband to produce my wallet though.
What is the matter?
And what is the matter? We have been playing Lido and I know what? You've not been hearing what we are saying. Is it not this your stupid husband that sent your stupid children to come and steal my wallet? My wallet. Produce my money. My purse. And they come and see, produce my wallet though. Want your husband though.
Don't mind the matter. What were you doing when they saw you? Took your purse or your wallet and you did not know.
Question and answer. I just jump off his car. See, if you don't produce my wallet this afternoon, I swear to God. See, and then we won't go. I will bust your tummy. Tell your husband though. I will bust his tummy this afternoon though.
Come and support the effort. Watch out the stomach. Yes,
I'm the one who go.
What is it?
Jinka.
Maneka cha kombu na na apia looking number na. Ti go din ti donye nti.
Hey. Kido go.
Odo yo mo zo. Na maneka iki ata.
Come here. What have you done?
Mama, you know Janet. She doesn't know how to roast yam, so I've been teaching her.
Shut up! I said, what have you done? Mama, you know, he's teaching me how to roast the yam. You know, the yam is very sweet, especially when you roast it.
Act as if you don't know what I'm talking about. Don't act as if you don't know what I'm talking about.
Mama, yam, roasted yam is very sweet.
Yes, Mom.
See, you provide my wallet to.
Okay, I'm okay, Zuzu.
Provide my wallet.
See about
what? I'll leave from my wallet.
Stay.
Okay, look, I got for your greeting. Look at your devilish smile. See, where is my wallet?
Wallet.
Mbabo wallet, help us. See, Oga Timothy, if you and these your ushers do not provide my wallet this very minute, I swear to God, Madana.
Yes, you.
Jaja, did you see Luke today?
Luke on Kabu so.
Janet, if you look.
Never go. And my Bible.
Mbane, for us no makia, you did not see me again. Were you not the one that bumped into me? Fiam, wallet Anna.
Hey! Wonderful! You want to tell me that my son is down with supernatural powers? Or where? Oh, he bumped into you and Fiam, wallet Anna.
That's enough! Nai, I am ashamed of you. Listen to yourself. When you know fully well that your children could have stolen his wallet, now both of you have to open up. If you fail to open up, that means no food for you in this house.
Biko maka ulcer. Biko. Come, you yourself. Let me ask you. What were you looking at? That your wallet left your body and you didn't know.
Joya.
Bam bam.
Oh.
But she said, no, will you shut up your mouth?
What do you want to Don't even tell us to shut up. We have to say it for the whole village to hear. Don't tell us to shut up.
Say it. Luke was busy looking at Janet's tsunami.
What is tsunami?
Mama, the audio or just use of a woman.
Yeah, exactly.
In other words?
In other words,
Luke, you see? Just because your name is Luke, you go about looking at everything you see. Okay?
Papa, tell him. You needed to see the way he was looking at me lustfully. If someone could impregnate a woman with his eyes, I am very, very sure I will behave now with triplets.
Luke man.
So this is how you want to judge it, eh?
This is how.
Timothy, this is how.
Why will you look? Why? This is how.
As for you, I know how to undo you.
Because you are Luke, you will have to be. It's again.
Mama, it's not everyone that will just come into this compound and say anything and you just leave the person. I don't like this.
I called you both here because I don't want your mother to hear our conversation. Like I always say, Onyosa, Madire also. I am very proud of both of you and the way you two cooperate to do your things.
Papa, we're also proud of you, sir.
Shut up, idiot. There is something on ground now that if we do it right, we will say goodbye to hunger forever.
Mama, do you want us to steal anything?
No. What I want you to do is something that will keep you away from stealing ever again in this life.
Chakwala Papa, I hope you're not planning to do money ritual.
Forget that one. You both know Bato, the late richest man in this community.
Who doesn't know him?
Bato left 2 billion naira.
Sorry.
To be shared among his 4 children.
Jesus.
As I'm talking now, the 4 Ogoos are already in town from Congo, Liberia, Jamaica, and USA. Now, Janet, this mission is especially for you. I want you to walk your way into them. Afanime, and run rings around the three boys. Nugu, Jankara, your own work is to watch out for her. Watch her back. And make sure you want to and make sure you get them to do what you want. Make sure they like her and get them to do what you want. Papa,
This is serious Odomen side.
Odoni quiet.
Turn your light and low, and open your window curtain.
Traffic in the air.
Long time.
Traffic in the Dang. What the F? Dang. This is traffic in the air, baby. Come on. This one good thing about Africa, you know.
Loves and scared.
Dang. Give this to you, man.
My mother.
Your mama gave this to you. God bless your mama, man. This is for your mama, not cool, baby. For your mama. One, that's what's up. For your mama. That's what's up. For your mama. That's what's up. Dang.
Mommy, this is what they call Democratic Party of Africa. Yeah, man. If you climb this buto, mommy, you speak your mind.
This is traffic in the air.
Pretty data. Let me say. Your body just give a man some inspiration for your new song. Your body is a killer. See? Your body is a killer.
No, my brother. I'm not sure even need to.
It's also that, right?
Stop that, mommy.
Stop it!
What happened here? What's the problem? Who got to my bag? Somebody enter my sack, take my biscuit. Who enter my sack? Who enter my biscuit?
What's your problem? Yelling, bitch.
If you want to swim, why not go to the beach yourself and swim? Stop shouting, bitch, yeah. I'm looking for my biscuit.
Boy, you talk about biscuit. Rastaman me no see no biscuit.
Sylvester. Yes. How are you coping with them?
Boys, I'm showing them that I am the old soldier. Yes. I am going it military. Yes. God is helping me. But it's not easy.
I trust you. I trust you. My wife even said she saw you with them carrying water containers. Is it true?
That? There was no water in the house. And those boys needed somebody to tell them that they were supposed to go to the stream and fetch water.
Hi. I hear too that they behave like people without brains.
You will barely hear, understand what any of them says.
I think you are in a better place to handle them very well.
Deal with them in the military fashion.
Come to think of it, why did your brother choose to do such a thing?
No, don't even go there at all. No, don't go there, I tell you. I have to rush back to the house before I have mutiny in the house.
Mutiny? So what is it all about?
Ezekiel, are you in the army? Are you a soldier? So what do you want to know about mutiny? Mutiny is an army parlance.
army terminology. Army abracadabra.
Sure. Yes, sure.
Salute again.
Sure.
Like this. I'll see you. Yes. No, don't shake.
Hey, sure. Sure, hand up. Sure. Hands. You know that. Hey. You understand that? Yes. I will see you. Let me wait for your people. Oh my. Serious.
Listen up, bitch. This slippers here is responsible for your missing biscuit.
You take my biscuit, my sugar chocolate coated biscuit from Congo.
Take it easy, mommy.
Hey, what's happening there? I said, what's happening here? What is happening here? Come on. Leave him alone. Leave him. Chris Lala, what or what?
My name is not Chrisla. My name is Christella.
Whatever it is, Christella, what is happening here?
This one take my biscuit, go to my sack, take my sugar chocolate, what a biscuit from Congo. I'm hungry.
Bag!
It's my sack in Congo.
Bombo clat party boy. Leko thief. Why you thief a biscuit? Ya hungry man from Liberia.
Stop that, mommy. You stupid.
Hey, thief.
Oh, soldier. Respect me, dread. Me dread gold, man.
You keep quiet, my friend. What's happening here?
Listen, I'm disappointed, man. Fucking disappointed.
You slippers. What is happening here? Did you take our biscuit?
Mommy, there is hunger in this house. Oh, man need to survive.
Stealing? Oh my God! What is happening here? I leave you people for a while and then you start fighting. What is happening? Stealing. That's stealing. And this is punishable in the army by court martial. It is punishable in the army by money. It is punishable in the army by court martial. Do you know that? I say it is punishable in the army by dungeon. It is punishable in the army by firing squad. Now, oh my God, all of you line up here. Line up here, all of you. Line up here. You cannot go on panic. Line up. Line up. Hey, you. Come here by my side. Come this side. Good. Now stay here. Stay by my side, by my right hand side. This is where you stay. Is that correct? Stay here. Yeah. Good. Now you hold this. Just hold it. Stay here. Yeah. Good. Now, listen. This is punishable. And you must be punished by me. Now, I'm going to give you frog jump. 1 hour jump. 1 hour jump. You stoop and you jump like 1 hour. Jump for 1 hour. Jump for 1 hour. 1 hour jump. Hey! What's wrong with you? Okay. Now give me back my back. Now stop it! Don't keep singing. What's wrong with you? Now listen. I'm an ex-soldier of Biafran regiment. So don't try this again. Don't try it again. Next time you try it, I'll do something about it. Talking about being broke. Want to sing it like a record or what?
Come on, man. We broke. Because we can't go back to our bases to hustle, that makes us your responsibility. Come on, man. We need swag. We need money. Give us some money. This is traffic in the air.
Swag you. As what? As we uncle. We father neck or brother, man. Why can't you speak what I understand? Do you even make sense of what you say? I man make sense. A layout for sense, man. Sin. That's the fun.
Mommy, if I had money with me, I wouldn't be stealing biscuit. Money.
Listen, all of you. I'm not your father. No. I didn't ask you to come in here and live for 1 year. Now listen. If I had my way, all of you will be out of this place, so I can have my peace. I need my sanity back. Because staying with the bunch of you makes me mad. Do you know that if I was not an old soldier, I would crack. Staying with the bunch of you can make somebody mad. Listen, I don't have any money I'm giving anybody. I'm not giving anybody any money. You go out and look for something to do.
Fuck all that shit, man. Fuck all that shit. You don't have a dime on you. Fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit. You're a broke soldier, man. Shit. Traffic in the fuck all that shit.
No soldier this, soldier that. They gonna eat soldier. Poor old soldier. Poor grey hair. Poor everything.
Oh soldier, now waiting be this you. You be guy man. You be guy man. Oh soldier, now waiting be this you. You be guy man. You be guy man. If you move, you go move you.
Old Sarge.
What's that?
Old Sarge. Old Sarge.
Who is that? What's that? What is it?
Come on, man. Everywhere's fucking hot.
My friend, if you are hot, see that your clock, that one you have on top there. Americano, remove it. Fly it like this. Wham, wham, wham. It will be fun. That's what we do here.
Come on, old soldier. Why don't you even have lights here, man?
Bad government. The leaders, them are thieves. Then they care about themselves. They don't care about the sufferation for the people. But Americana, Jah Rastafari, with the scheme people, Sunday, sin.
We can fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit. Come on, old soldier. Why don't we have lights, man?
Are you deaf? Or maybe something has blocked your tympanic membranes. Texas. These are the wires here. Don't call me again complaining about what I don't know.
So why don't we have light, old soldier? Why don't we have light, old soldier?
I don't have anything to tell you.
Fuck all that shit, old soldier. Fuck all that shit. I'ma fix it.
No, man.
I'ma fix it. I need lights, man. I'ma fix it.
Come on. I can't. What is the lights, man?
Americana, you don't know you're electrician, you don't know you got some talents.
What's that? What happened?
What is fake electrician, man?
What happened?
I was trying to fix this shit. I got fucked up, man. Damn.
America, you feel dead now.
Yeah? Nigerian Electric. Listen, you climb this thing with a knife, with the kitchen knife. Hi. What is wrong with these crazy boys? You're lucky it didn't kill you. Eh? You think it's American, what do you call it, electric? Small electric. Little electric you have in America. Nigeria Electric is powerful.
I mean, you play with electricity.
Stop laughing, man. Fuck all that shit. Stop laughing, man.
If you read them, make laugh.
Nigeria Electric is big, powerful. It will carry you up Ibukitim Nana on the ground.
Come on, old soul.
Sorry.
Show some love, man. I need milk. I need milk.
We'll give you a cow. One whole cow so that you will put your mouth on the breast and suck the whole milk.
Sorry.
Mommy, shut up, mommy. You play with electricity. You're lucky they kill you.
Sorry.
Dang. Fuck all that shit.
Mommy?
Fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit.
I mean, you're lucky this and they kill you. You're lucky.
Sorry.
That was fucking serious, man. That shit got me fucked up.
Americana, me swear for the name for the most high. Me no know you're fake electrician.
Fuck all that shit, man. Fuck all that shit.
Fuck all that shit, man. Fuck all that shit, man.
If you're an electrician, you're an electrician. If you're not, you're a bloody civilian. Bloody civilian.
Your mates are nice. Go for your breaks. Bombo clado soldier. When me say Zion is a holy place. When me say Zion is a holy place. Nothing can enter there. Rastafari is a light. We no need.
Malicha. One. Let's no.
Na kiva game kwa na. Wo fun je biko.
You could get out of the border.
My dear, I really need to work on that project that Papa discussed with us.
Okay. Joe?
Joe kwa? I'm off you. But don't also Joe.
How far? Can you get the latest? What's the latest?
Actually, never feel. I want to enter them fully. One in short first. You know? Hey, I'm not believe it.
Janet, you wear pants.
Why are you staring at me like that?
I want to know whether you are putting on your pants because you know these days you don't like wearing pants. It's now your culture. See, I know I'm saying it to Makumu Joe. I'm sorry. Makumu Batu. I had drop
Jankara, I am not a small girl. I know what to do and what to do at the right time. I'm off here. Ne. Fella de make you in Zoom did it with to over 200 naira general can get to far.
Now take it.
No, you didn't maybe.
And then it's one of my minister like that.
Now say about
are you my girl? What's wrong with you?
You want a girl?
No, you feel like I don't know how to chase you.
Are you my girl? Yosh. Why didn't that put in a joke girl? I'm not
sit down.
Oh, thank you. Hey,
Hey, Jenna, if you like, come back to this house without anything.
Important one because of present situation.
Uncle, every time you call meeting, Nigeria people like meeting. What is it again? What is it?
I want all of you to listen to me and listen attentively. The battle is getting hotter and hotter, and every soldier must move to the present times.
Amen. We are not Soya men. Or sometimes we cannot understand your language.
Yes, sir.
Amen.
Come on.
What I'm saying is this. You people need to start to do little things that will put money in your pocket. Things that will give you money.
Money! You know what I come for? I come for Nigerian money. Thank you. I will thank you very well. Give you my cosata. We no come back. Oh, I will. That is the way to go. Thank you very much. Where is the money? I need money. Give me money. Good uncle.
Lukumba, shut up.
My name is Christina.
Listen, Christiana, listen. Listen and get that into your skull, that skull of yours. What I am saying is that you people should get into that village and begin to do small things. Look for small things to do that will put money in your hands, put money in your pockets. Am I making sense to somebody here? That okay? Does that make sense?
The 3 marks, one love. There is one question I really want to ask. My son,
what kind of trouble is this? How do I make money in this village where I don't know anybody? If it were in Brazzaville, I would have seen plenty men to buy me liquor and take me for a dance. But wait a minute, Christella. Don't underrate the men here. They may surprise you. Well, let's see for now. I know what to do.
Like a city pond that
Oh,
he
no.
can't be hit.
Yeah, but look at Babu. You can show my son. I can tell you.
My son feel desire. In case them know Rastaman run things. Me like a heel. Be hidden. Dada bless your son. Bless your son. No allow the people of the world to gloat over my suffering, son. Send. God bless I and I. Obama.
Are you from the city?
Oh yes, Bombo Cloud. I man, know you why you ask me such a question.
It's just that I like music. If I see people playing reggae music, I like them.
Where's it? Yeah, mean you like reggae music, huh?
Hey, no. You see, disciple. Apostle. Disciple. Lucky. Dube. Oh, Bob something. Ejimia.
Bombo clat man. You mean Lakdube Bob Marley?
Biano newu. Kita get kono kamade ano.
Where is it?
Please, I would like you to play some for me.
So, how we have figured so Rastaman fi play you some special tune, man? Respect. See, I talk like a dundee. I can't sing Jamaica where me come from. When you just say me go make say, kissing for the microphone. Kissing, ya the cornerstone, yeah. Keke baba, ya the cornerstone. Oh, kissing for the microphone, yeah. Kissing, ya the number. Kissing, ya the cornerstone, yeah. Keke baba, ya the cornerstone, yeah. On the microphone, yeah.
I'm clapping for you.
Yeah. Keke baba, ya the cornerstone, yeah. Let me tell you something. I don't go to Jamaica where I come from. Me match up the dance hall. Mr. Yellowman. At Jamaica. Me and Mr. Till at Jamaica. Me roll with Chakadimos and Pliers. Chabarans, Mr. Yellowman. All of them. Me match up the dance hall. See?
But you still haven't answered my question. If you are from this place.
Oh yes, Sam. A Kingston, Jamaica backyard, man. Huh? Me I come from this jungle, but no me a father, man.
What about you?
You know him?
Your late father was a very rich man.
So they tell Rastaman. But my father say Rastaman fi suffer, fi get the man.
Yeah, now so me from Maria, what on ya?
My father want Rastaman fi step on the place for 1 year before Rastaman fi get the money, man.
So you don't have any money with you?
Me I broke like a church rat. Rastaman no get no dollar, man. But me know, Jaja, Rastafari flies here, the country lion of the tribe of Judah, don't provide his son. See? Me know.
I will teach you how to make money in this village.
What else?
With your guitar.
Bombo clat where I say. When me fi sing, when me fi play some tune, fi make some doll. You know? You gonna take me there.
But meanwhile, play me another song. I want to confirm if you are tight. So you won't go out there to disgrace me.
You want me to play some tune? Rastafari! See, me gonna play this song. Me do this one for me girl. Abakayada Jamaica. Me girlfriend. Me love her to the bone, man. Me girlfriend.
You know, touch a poison, they can take a malo.
Me mama.
Where
me go? When me say you want me to be mine, baby girl, you look so fine. The way you move your body, just like movie your designs in your mind. Baby girl, you look so fine. Just like you are too difficult to find, you are mine. Baby girl, you look so fine. Just like you are too difficult to find. This is another raga style, yeah. Kingston bring another style, yeah. Ziggy zaga zai. Another raga style, yeah. Kingston baba, sanmana.
No. Sometimes in the dream.
Hey, fuck you, man. I'm talking about reality here, baby.
See, for the fact that I like you, I also want my sister to like you.
Are you for real? You make your sister to like me? Damn, that's why you're my blood, man. You're my blood. You're my blood, man. Sorry, say that again.
I say you are a fine guy.
I know. Everybody knows. I mean, the whole world knows, man.